Hey foodies, stop making that boring beans palya today. Today I'm showing you the secret to that authentic mouth-watering hotel-style beans palya. Hello everyone, I'm Deepak Kshatriya. Welcome back to another recipe. Today we are turning the humble green beans into something extraordinary. Whether you're pairing it with some hot rice and sambar or serving it with soft chapati. This is a specific hotel style is a game changer. It's simple, it's healthy and packed with flavor. Let's jump right into the recipe. Let's see how to make this awesome hotel style beans palya. These are all the ingredients required to make this palya. Take a screenshot if you want. First, I have taken fresh beans, chop them finely and pressure cook them for just one whistle. We want them soft but not mushy. Make sure that. While those sit, let's prepare our fresh masala base. In a mixie jar, add a half a cup of fresh coconut that's grated. And we'll add some dry red chilies that I'm taking the Byadagi red chilies for that perfect heat. And we'll add a half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Grind this into a coarse powder without adding any water. This is the Kai Sasive, the coconut and mustard blend. And this blend is the soul of this dish. This is what makes the taste world apart and tastes awesome. Now let's heat a pan. Now 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add some mustard seeds and some Chana Dal for a bit of crunch and a pinch of Hing for that beautiful aroma. Let them splutter. Add a 1 chopped onion. Now a quick tip, if you want the traditional temple style or a Brahmin version, you can skip the onions entirely and saute until the onions are translucent. Next we add turmeric, a little bit of a salt for the taste and a little tamarind juice for the tanginess and a small piece of jaggery to balance out the spices and the sourness from the tamarind. Now give it a nice mix and allow the tamarind to boil. At this time I'll add some cumin powder and then our freshly ground coconut masala or the Kai Sasive masala. Add everything into this at this point of time. Give it a good stir. The smell of the fresh coconut and the mustard heating up is absolutely incredible. And now it's time to add in our boiled beans. Mix it gently over the medium flame so the beans soak up all those spices. Mix it well. Let it cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. Finally, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves for that hotel style signature. Just look at that color and texture. It looks world class, doesn't it? To bring this authentic traditional recipe to you involves a lot of research and hard work behind the scenes. If you enjoy seeing this kind of recipes, all I ask in return is your support. Please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. It means a world to me. But stay tuned. In my next video, I'm sharing a breakfast recipe that's so unique you will never guess the main ingredient. Until next time, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara. Happy cooking.